Hi students, welcome to part 3 of the video series of class 8 mathematics understanding quadrilaterals. I hope you all have watched and made notes and calculations in your notebook of part 1 video and part 2 video. Hi, I am Abhishek sir and let us start the journey of understanding quadrilaterals part 3. Now today we are going to start with few important points. These points are very important, so you have to note down these 4 things in your notebook, as the next will be exercise 3.2 and one by one we will solve in the video. Alright, so the first important point is the one which we did last in the part 2. Let us recall it again. Sum of measures of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360, right? So exterior angles sum is always 360. Clear? So this is a kind of property. Now second important point is exterior angle equals to 360 upon number of sides in the polygon. Okay, so here we are relating exterior angle with number of side because we will be solving questions related to this in exercise 3.2. okay, now from this formula only we have derived formula number 3. You see, take number of sides on this side and exterior angle on this side. So we are interchanging. Okay, so interchanging will give us another formula which will be number of sides equals to 360 upon exterior angle, right? So we change the position of these two. So this is an extra formula which might be helpful for if in case any sum is there in the exercise. Now moving on to the last one. If in case you have found exterior angle and they have asked about what will be the interior angle, so what to do? So you just have to subtract the exterior angle with 180 degree. Clear? So these 4 things are to be kept in mind, written in the notebook, and based on these things we will solve exercise 3.2. In exercise 3.2 we have almost 6 questions, right? So one by one I will be solving this in this part, but we have to take care of these 4 points. Clear? So let us move on to exercise 3.2. So first question is find x from the figure. So we have this one figure, first figure, in which we have been given a triangle having 1, 2 and 3 exterior angles, right? So minimum number of exterior angle is there only in triangle. Okay, now we have to find out what is x. So very easy, we will use this hint. For your convenience I have written this hint box, so we will take help of this and solve the exercise. Okay, now let us start with the original property, right? So before you solve, I expect that you may write one line according to exterior angle sum property, right? Exterior angle sum property. First angle 125 degree plus another is 125 and third is x, that is equals to 360 degree. See, 125 plus 125 plus x. Now we have to do this total 125 plus 125. If orally you will know, very easy, 100 100 200 25 25 50. So it will be 250 degree plus x equals to 360 degree. Take this 250 on the other side, it will become minus, here x will remain, put 360 degree minus 250 degree. So orally calculate what is 360 minus 250. So it will be 110 degrees. So this is our answer of first figure. Okay, so next question is a pentagon. in which there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles given. Note that all of them are not exterior, this one is interior angle, right? So here we have to apply our common sense. If this interior is 90, what will be this exterior angle? It will also be 90. Okay, so this we don't have to count, we have to count this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this angle is not given. Again applying our common sense, it will be 90 degree. Okay, so now again we have to find out x. So using the according to exterior angle sum property, adding all the exterior angles will give you 360. So let us start with 90, 60, 90, 70 and then x. Okay, so 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree plus x equals to 360. So you have to add these 4 angles. So quickly you will be doing the rough work of what is the total of these 4 angles, right? So if you will add these 4 angles, you will get the answer 310 degree plus x equals to 360 degree. Taking this 310 on the other side, you will get x equals to 360 minus 310 degree. So what will be the final answer? 360 minus 310. So that will be 50 degrees. So this is our answer of second figure of question number 1. Moving on to question number 2, I am reading out the question. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides, right? So here you can see the exterior angle and number of sides are given. Okay, and we have to find out the exterior angle. Okay, so we have to find a relation between exterior angle and number of sides. So which one is that? This one, right? We will be using this formula. Formula is exterior angle equals to 360 degree upon number of sides. Okay, so using this formula, exterior angle equals to 360 upon number of sides, it will be 360 upon how many sides? 9. So you can easily cancel 9 4s are 36, right? And 0 will be repeated. So final answer will be 40 degree. So what will be the measure of exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides? It will be 40 degree. Moving on to a similar question. So we will be using, this time the number of sides are changed. So this time we will have a different value but same formula. So exterior angle equals to 360 upon number of sides. So only using the formula we will get the answer very easily. Now this you have to do in your rough side. Okay, so 360 by 5, as if in case you know the table of 15, so you can easily able to do this orally as well. 15 2s are 30 and 15 how many into give you 60. So 360 by 15 if you do on a rough work, so that will give you the answer 24. Okay, you can do like this, 360 upon 15, 15 2s are 30, 6, this 0 will be repeated, 15 4s are 60. Okay, so you can do the rough work as well. So here is question number 2. In the next question we have, how many sides does a regular polygon have if exterior angle is 24 degree? So now again we will be using the same formula because we are relating exterior angle with number of sides. Okay, let us see what is given. Given is exterior angle, that is 24 degree. What they have told, find the number of sides. So question mark over here. Let us apply the formula. Exterior angle equals to 360 upon number of sides. So as you can see in this formula, we have just exchanged the places because we were finding number of sides. So let us take number of side over here and exterior angle here. So our formula becomes number of sides equals to 360 upon exterior angle. Okay, directly you can use the formula or you can make your own formula. So finally writing 360 upon what was exterior angle, 24. Again you have to divide 360 with 24, you will get the answer, and the answer will be 15. Okay, so how many sides does a regular polygon have if exterior angle is 24? 15 sides. Alright, now next question is very important. I'm writing IMP over here. Why? Because they have twisted the question a little bit. इस क्वेश्चन को ट्विस्ट किया गया है. क्यों ट्विस्ट किया गया है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमें इंटीरियर एंगल दिया गया है. दैट मीन्स हियर इंटीरियर एंगल इज गिवन एंड दे आर फाइंडिंग नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. ओके, एंड वी ऑल्सो नो दैट वी डोंट हैव एनी फॉर्मूला दैट डायरेक्टली रिलेट साइड्स एंड इंटीरियर एंगल. हमारे पास कोई ऐसा फॉर्मूला नहीं है जिससे हम साइड्स और इंटीरियर एंगल को रिलेट कर सकें. तो क्या करेंगे? सो वी विल यूज दिस फॉर्मूला इन कॉम्बिनेशन विद दिस फॉर्मूला. दोनों फॉर्मूला एक साथ यूज करते हैं. सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट विद फाइंडिंग हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ साइड्स आर देयर, वी विल फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट द एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ओके, सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट एक्सटीरियर एंगल using this property. So I have changed interior, I took on this side, exterior on this side. So exterior angle equals to 180 minus interior angle. Okay, so that is how we will get exterior angle. So 180 minus 165 degree. What will be the answer? 180 minus 165 is nothing but 15 degree. So right now you have got the exterior angle. Alright, now it is very easy because we know the formula exterior angle and number of sides. So let us use that formula to find out number of sides. So exterior angle equals to 360 upon number of sides. Okay, we are finding number of sides, so take this over here, exterior angle over here. So our formula is number of sides equals to 360 upon exterior angle, and that is, put the value. What is the value of exterior angle that we have got? 15. Okay, so 360 divided by 15, how much it is? It is 24. So number of sides will be 24. Now let us go for the next question, that is question number 5. We have two questions over here. This is question number A and B. Is it possible to have regular polygon with measure of exterior angle as 22? So answer of A will be no. Now we don't have to give reason in the first question, but still I will be giving you a reason, because if you want to find out that if in case there is an regular polygon having exterior angle 22, then let us find out number of side is possible or not. Then in that case number of sides will be 360 upon 22, and if you divide 360 with 22, it will be around 16.4 or something. We all know that sides, number of sides cannot be in decimal, right? So number of sides cannot be in decimal. That is why the final answer is no, it is not possible. Second question is related to that only. Can 22 be an interior angle of any regular polygon? And if yes, then why? If no, then why? Now the answer of B is also no. But here they have asked why. So let us give reason. So we will write if interior angle is 22, then exterior angle will be 180 minus 22, and that will be 158. So if it is true, then what will be the number of sides? So again, if you want to find out number of sides of that polygon, that will be 360 upon 158, right? And we all know that 158 will not divide 360 at all, right? The value might be 2 point something. Okay, and again, number of sides can never be a decimal number, right? So in both the cases the answer is no, right? And both the answers can be verified by using this formula. Because number of side can never be in decimal, that is why 22 is not possible as exterior angle and 158 is not possible as exterior angle. Clear? Moving on to the last question of this exercise and last question of this video. They have asked what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why. The answer here is 60. But let us find out why the answer is 60. And they have asked why, so we have to write the reason also. So let us start with giving reason. The equilateral triangle being a regular polygon of 3 sides has the least measure of the interior angle. Why? Because the least number of sides in polygon is possible only in triangle, and they have asked regular. So the least regular polygon having least number of sides is 3, that is an equilateral triangle. And we all know that in equilateral triangle all the angles are having measure 60 degree. So that is nothing but the least measure of interior angle of any regular polygon. Moving on to the next part and the last one. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? So what we'll do, we'll continue with this figure only. If the minimum interior angle is 60 degree, that exterior angle will have the maximum value, right? So if you want to find out the maximum value of exterior angle of any regular polygon, we can see from answer of part A, we will find exterior angle of an equilateral triangle. Remember, minimum is only possible in equilateral triangle, that is why its exterior will have the maximum value, and for finding the exterior angle we just have to use the linear pair property, right? Or you can also use this property, just exchange, so it will be exterior angle equals to 180 minus the minimum interior angle, that is 60 degree, and that is nothing but 120 degree. So that is all about exercise 3.2. We have finished the part 3 series, and in future in the next part we will continue ahead. That's all for today. Stay safe, happy learning.